All right, folks, what I'm doing today is I'm trying to get my 2016 Yukon Denali XL, I'm trying to get it upgraded to the 2020 Denali grill. I'm going to change the letters out so they're not red anymore. I'm putting black letters in. I want to kind of show you what I've run into. Been over here working on this, trying to drill out the holes for the emblem to remove the red letters. As you can see, there's a bunch of holes drilled in this. I finally got them out, but the template that comes with the letters is not correct. And the main reason for that is because it's for the 2015 through 2017 model Yukons. I could not find an 18 through 20 letter replacement. Even though these will fit and they fit perfectly, the diagram is off. So basically what I want to show you here is this diagram for the G shows that you drill this hole and this hole right here with a 1/4 inch drill bit. Those two holes are wrong. I've done them here. You can see where I drilled here and here, and I missed. So what I've done here is kind of redrawn the diagram to show you where you're supposed to drill these holes. So as you can see, there is these two clips. So I wouldn't worry about those two. The main thing that I would worry about is this hole here, this one here, and this one here, which I've drawn on the diagram here. So you've got one here, and a 1/4 inch bit will fix these. That one there, and then you got the two square clips. That would be a last resort to cut those. I think they'll just pop right out once you get those other holes drilled. Those are like little pop rivet holes, and once they're drilled through, then the letters will move fairly easy, and those clips should pop right out. If not, you could always run a drill bit right down the center of these two square holes, and that would eliminate having to pop those out, and the letters should just come right out. The good thing about the newer model grills is they do not have double-sided tape in them. Everything is popped in. So you've got the two clips, 1, 2, and then you've got these, which are plastic studs that are pushed through and then melted from the back side. So you have to actually drill those out here and here. So those 3 holes there, which is pretty easy. The M is the same way. If you look at the diagram, you'll see that they have 3 holes, 1, 2, 3, and none of those hit the mark. They all missed. So I drew new spots, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those are the 6 that you need to drill. There are no clips in this one. As you can see, here are where the little plastic rivets are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you hit those, then the little M will come right out with no problem. The C is a lot like the G. It's got the 2 plastic clips, 1, 2. But the holes that are required to drill from the letters that come, when I bought them on eBay, is here and here. Both of them missed. So I've made new holes here. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4. And here they are. I left the little rivets when I broke them, so you can kind of see what I've been talking about. So there's 1, 2, 3. The 4th one is right here that I drilled. So 1, 2, 3, and then you've got these 2 clips, and there's a 4th one right here. So there's the diagrams. The 2 square clips, 1 and 2, and then these holes here, 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope this helps. I'm excited about what this is going to look like when it's done. Give you an idea. Here's the letters that I bought. They've still got the little plastic clear on them. I haven't peeled it off yet, but I'll show you how much better that's going to look once it's installed. I'm fixing to glue these in. I don't have to deal with any double-sided tape. I am going to take my drill bit and pop these two little rivets out here. That way it'll mount flush, because those kind of stick up a little bit. I want the double-sided tape to stick. So I'm gonna take a little 1/4 inch drill bit and just kind of hit the ends of them to flush them out, so everything will lay flat inside of the inside of there. So anyway, I got to clean up these little areas here just so it lays flat. But once it's done, it's going to look really nice. The next video I do will be actually installing the 2020 grill. So kind of excited about it. I like the new grill. It goes all the way to the edge, where the other one kind of curves backward, so it makes the grill look smaller. So this grill will actually look even bigger once it's in my truck. And it's a direct fit, so it's real easy to do. If you have any questions, shoot me a comment at the bottom. I try to reply as quick as I can, and I'll be glad to answer any questions if you've got them. Thanks. Okay, so now I have kind of cleaned up where those rivets were. I drilled them out, vacuumed everything out of it. You see how clean the area is. I ran alcohol down inside the area, vacuumed it all out to get all the paper towel, little fuzzies and stuff out of there, so I can stick this GMC on here. So here's the G. I kind of started peeling at the plastic, kind of get it started. And the reason I did that is because I did the back of my truck last night, and it was a lot easier to peel it off if I kind of started it beforehand. Once it was down inside here, it was hard to get the corner to peel it off. So I just kind of started it. The reason I don't go ahead and peel it off is because I got to do a lot of pressing and stuff, and I don't want to, you know, mess up the letter itself. But anyway, so there's the back side. I'm going to peel this off. Kind of hard to do with one hand. And I'm making a mess here. Sorry if you can't see it, I'm peeling all this off here. Okay. So now the backing's peeled off, it's ready to go. You just set it down in there. It's really easy to install. Just set it inside the hole, and you just want to press it in. And then you just peel off this plastic covering, and it sits in there nicely. There you go. Replace those red letters. All right, there's the finished product. 2018 to 2020 Denali grill. It's going to go in my 2016 GMC Denali Yukon XL. I just wanted the upgrade to the grill itself, but you can do this in a SLT or SLE model and make yours look like a Denali. They fit right in there, so it's easy. Well, I say it's easy. This part was easy, replacing the letters. The rest of it, you got to take the whole bumper off the front of that thing to put this grill in. That part's not easy. The main reason I want to go to that much trouble, because I can do it without taking the bumper completely off, but I'm going to take the old grill and throw it on eBay and sell it for a couple $100. And I've got, you know, $400 in this grill right here. So I almost get my money back, and that makes it worthwhile. Anyway, there's the black letters. That's the whole point in the video. You can see how nice that looks compared to those big ugly red letters that come stock in them. All right, thank you for watching.